In this video, we will see how we can log in with AngelOne broker and where to find its TOTP key. Okay, simply go to this dashboard and simply click this AngelOne open and a login page will open. Here you have to follow these three steps to log in this broker. You have to give your client code, whatever client code, Angel's client code you have, and your MPIN. I will write my MPIN and TOTP key. For TOTP key, you have to click on this enable TOTP link. It will redirect you to a smart API of AngelOne broker. And here also you have to log in with your uh, broker credentials, whatever broker credentials you have, your client code and this pin. Simply log in it. It will send a OTP to your phone. Simply go. I will give my OTP and proceed it. Okay. See, here we got a QR scanner and copy the key, this 16 digit key. This key we will copy it. Simply copy this Control plus C and we will paste this QR key. We will paste this key to this TOTP key section and simply sign in. Okay. It's one method to sign in and the other method is you can simply you can scan this QR in your phone in your any authentication app. Then from there whatever 6 digit TOTP key you will get, you can log in with that also. Or if you don't want to go miswrite this TOTP key again and again, then you can simply log in with your this 16 digit key. Okay, thank you.